Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are doing a review today, well not really a review, but more build mode overview of the new mudroom kit that we got today. So we're just gonna go packs, scroll down. Grange Mudroom by Peacemaker. Draw a wall because I think there's some wallpaper. There is. I do have Better Build By, and Tool installed too. So I prefer those for building. That's better lighting. Oh, that'll be so pretty! Like in an entryway. And after I film this and like post it, I will be working on a build with the new packs, and I'll try to stream, and I'm gonna be streaming with them later on tonight. 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, which is about 3 hours after the kit's release. I have no idea what time this is posting. I'm hoping around 1 or 2 o'clock Central, so that way I can have in the comment. This is so pretty. And then there's this version that has, like, the, what is it called? It's not wainscoting, but the, like, paneling. Ooh. And these each change colors. Like, they're so pretty. This will be so nice. I have a build idea. Yeah. And then it's on the back side, I guess. That'll be pretty. Okay. That's not that. Some of this might be because I'm on a fresh install of The Sims 4 with a new computer. That video should be posted hopefully tomorrow, maybe Friday, or tomorrow is Friday, maybe Saturday. That's pretty. That tile in a mudroom. I might do a build that has a lot of laundry stuff, because I think this would also be such a pretty tile in a laundry room. I don't build a ton with laundry because I personally hate playing with laundry. But I might do a build with laundry. No windows, no doors. Okay. Let's just go to show all. Okay. I will be using the crap out of this. That is such a pretty, like, color. Yes. And this is just a storage closet. Ooh. Especially because I'm contemplating restarting something on Twitch. This will be so pretty. I see a lot of uses I will have for this. We don't have a lot of good mudroom furniture. So I'm always excited when we get furniture for a room in the house we don't have something for. The mudroom is a big one. Because I see so many ideas for this, like, and this comes in a nice off-white, pure white, dark black, kind of like light beige, red, green, yellow, pink, orange, and blue. Of course, when CC creators make the kits, all the items match and they know exactly what we need, and I love this. Pair this with the new base game. I might do base game in this only for a build. I don't ever do limited pack builds. So this lamp is so pretty. It's tiny. It comes in great metals. Okay, I need F5. That is such a pretty My favorite artwork we have is from CC Kit, the CC Creator Kits. They're so pretty. And they know exactly what we need. Okay. Then we have this and this, which just have different versions of stuff, but they come in all the same color swatches as these do, and the hat and this all changes colors. Make it all yellow, because that's what we've been doing. A hallway rug. This will be perfect in an entryway. Again, it comes in great swatches. Handy dandy bag. I could see myself using this and the bag. Is it from Modern Luxe I'm thinking of? I think it is. The one that has the perfume. A shoe frame? It's got different shoe decor. I love it. The bag comes in different, more neutrally swatches, but also a couple darks. This basket, can I put it on this? I can. Towel changes. I could see myself using this in a similar way to how I use the cottage living and eco lifestyle ones. Just another great option. Pair of boots and some shoes. Great. Keys and glasses. This will be great. I'll use this instead of the phone one. I like to put that next to beds. Let's sort it out. Mail pile. Honestly, I'd probably put... I have move objects on a better go by. Probably put it more like this. I don't know. We are outside for this still. This is a really pretty mirror. I'm definitely getting inspired for a build, so I think I'm going to work on it as soon as I finish this. We have some hanging cabinet versions. And these do not have, like, the cabinet effects that normal cabinets do. Go to this side, because that side's getting cluttered. And these go in perfect. This is such a simple... How do I do this? Can I put these? It's there. Yeah. It's so tiny! That is going to be one of my most used plants. And then this is a hallway table. I think this will go perfect. And that's everything that comes in the new kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will catch you guys later on Twitch, and I'll see you guys then. Goodbye!